Welcome back to GearFlux Garage. The 2026 Toyota HiLux continues its legacy as one of the most reliable and durable mid-size pickup trucks worldwide. Known for its exceptional toughness and versatility, the HiLux has become a trusted companion for those who demand performance both on and off the road. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, tackling rough terrains, or cruising through city streets, the HiLux is engineered to deliver outstanding capability and comfort. At the heart of the 2026 HiLux lineup are its powerful engine options. Buyers can choose between the efficient 2.4-liter and the more robust 2.8-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engines, both offering an impressive balance of power and fuel economy. For certain markets, Toyota also provides a V6 petrol engine, delivering smooth acceleration and a spirited driving experience. The diesel variants produce horsepower ranging from 120 to 201 and torque figures between 360 and 500 Newton-meters, ensuring the HiLux has the muscle to get the job done. These engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed sequential automatic, allowing drivers to tailor their driving experience to their preference. One of the standout features of the HiLux is its drivetrain versatility. Available in both 4x2 and 4x4 part-time configurations, it offers enhanced traction and control for a variety of driving conditions. The 4x4 models come equipped with advanced off-road technology, including hill descent control and differential locks, making the HiLux a capable off-roader that can conquer challenging environments with confidence. The 2026 HiLux's towing capability is impressive, with a maximum braked towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms. This makes it a practical choice for those who need to tow trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. Whether you're a tradesperson, adventurer, or outdoor enthusiast, the HiLux's towing and payload capabilities provide the versatility required for demanding tasks. The truck is available in multiple cab configurations: single cab, extra cab, and double cab, catering to different lifestyle and work needs. The single cab offers a spacious bed for maximum cargo capacity, ideal for transporting large or bulky items. The extra cab provides additional storage behind the seats, while the double cab prioritizes passenger comfort, accommodating up to 5 occupants with ample legroom and modern amenities. Inside the cabin, the 2026 HiLux blends functionality with comfort. The interior is thoughtfully designed with durable materials that withstand the rigors of daily use, while offering ergonomic seating and user-friendly controls. Modern infotainment systems with touchscreen displays, smartphone connectivity, and navigation features ensure drivers stay connected and entertained on the road. Safety is a key focus, with advanced driver assistance systems such as lane departure alert, pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and multiple airbags providing peace of mind for occupants. Toyota's commitment to quality and reliability shines through in the HiLux's rugged construction. The body-on-frame chassis design contributes to the vehicle's strength and durability, allowing it to withstand tough working conditions. The suspension system is tuned to deliver a comfortable ride without compromising off-road capability, absorbing bumps and rough terrain with ease. In recent models, Toyota has integrated mild hybrid technology